All right, this video is going to show you how to export in 4K from Screenflow. And if you notice, a lot of my videos are 4K, so they have the standard definition, the high definition, and the 4K. The reason that you might want to put your videos in 4K is because it does, in some places of YouTube, have a little 4K icon, which should increase the click-through rate, and should also let people know that it's a more modern, higher production value video. So when you've done your recording in Screenflow, what you're going to do is you're going to click export. Now, typically Screenflow records with a lot of quality, so they have very large file sizes. So when you click export, I've made a customized preset here, but let's say it was set something like this. This would be kind of more like the default. You're going to do a manual export. So you're going to customize things, and you're going to want to move it up to 60 frames per second. You're going to want to put 24,000 kilobits per second. And you can do single pass or multi-pass. That's fine. You might want to bump up the bit rate to 320 if there's music in the background. And you're definitely going to want to change the resolution to 3840 by 2160. That is the definition of 4K. Then you can use the motion blur. Then you can just click export. Now keep in mind, because this is 4K, it will take significantly longer to export. And when you upload your video, it's going to take significantly longer. It could take even, upwards of a day before the 4K version is actually ready. Now that doesn't mean you shouldn't promote your YouTube video right away, but keep in mind that that 4K version will take a little bit of time. Anyhow, that is how you do it. Hope this video was helpful.